Hey barbecue fans, welcome to a beautiful day on the Frank Ranch inside Volsteads for another edition of Fireside Chats. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about cold weather smoking. Here on the ranch, you guys have seen it, we've got a lovely little lake and it has been frozen completely over to the tune of about 1.5 inches thick of ice. Now, I don't know about the rest of you, but I don't care what the weather is outside, I still cook outside. And that's what I wanted to talk about today is how to have a successful cook when it is sub-zero temperatures outside or it's just really, really cold. So first thing you want to do is check the kind of smoker you got. So if you're working with an upright like a Weber Smoky Mountain or something like that, what I always used to do is I'd go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a roll of Reflex. And what that is, it's that insulation that looks like bubble wrap foil, or foil bubble wrap, I should say. And get a roll of that for 100 feet, it's $52, and you can wrap it around 6 or 7 smokers. So I'd wrap it around the smoker and then get some aluminum tape and tape it down with aluminum tape and then cut some holes in the bottom so you can access your vents, and it works like a charm. It's one of the little hacks that I learned on the barbecue circuit. It's fantastic. Now, if you don't have one of those, like I don't have one of those anymore, I have the Traegers obviously, and I do have 2 Traegers that are not insulated. If you have the double wall insulated Traegers, that's fantastic. They're going to work great. But for the ones that you don't, or the ones you have that are not double wall insulated, like my little tailgater, and then I've got another one, they do sell blankets for them. And they're specifically made for the version of smoker that you have. And believe me, it's well worth the investment of 50 or 60 bucks for it. They last forever. It makes your smoker extremely efficient in the cold, or if you leave it on during the heat or when it's warm outside, it makes your smoker very efficient and your pellets go a lot farther. Now there's a lot of different hacks you can do out there. Make sure that your smoker is sealed, make sure it's not leaking. A lot of the guys that have the offset smokers, I see a lot of guys put latches on them, that's great. Or, you know, some gasket material around the lid, that's fantastic as well. You can also get like a heavy duty fire blanket and wrap the cook chamber in a fire blanket. Just stuff like that is what's going to make your cook more successful, make you tending the fire less, and overall you're going to come out with a successful cook. So there you have it, guys. Until next time, keep on smoking it.